This is the biggest Kickstarter scam ever. Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And I buy a lot of things, some of them really stupid. But this one is so stupid that I'm embarrassed to even show it to you. Back in 2018, my second Kickstarter founding, I founded something called Unifoam. And that was the modern way to brush your teeth. It was a foam that you put in your mouth, and somehow, I don't even remember how, it was supposed to clean your teeth to 100% in 6 seconds. Of course, I understood that that wasn't realistic, but still, it got me curious. So we backed that in 2018. We were over 15,000 people that collected together way over €1 million, way over. And we were supposed to get them in 2019. And the owners just screwed us in every way. No updates, no nothing. We started to see on the Asian market replicas, copies of it. And now, halfway through 2021, we got even a worse option than the things that we saw on the Chinese market for like 20 euro. So let's see what we got here. This is so stupid. And the sad thing is that everybody, this became a huge thing. And everybody contacted Kickstarter. Kickstarter didn't reply at all in any way. We contacted the police in Denmark because it's two Danish guys that has this company. They both bought themselves a very expensive apartment, around €1 million each, and then they just disappeared. So they are wanted by the Danish police. We have tried everything to get in hold of these guys, and nothing. And 4 years later, 3, we got something really stupid. And the funny thing is that they made a video on an instruction video where we can clearly see a woman in pain using this product. So yeah, but I'm gonna try to give it a review. So this is the duo pack, and for the duo pack, I think I paid, what could it have been, €200 maybe? I don't remember at all. So the first product was Unifoam, a foam thing that you put in your mouth, bite against it, and it will clean your teeth. Then you will storage it in this UV light that kills bacteria. This is a brush that that clearly doesn't cover all the spots in your mouth, and that clearly doesn't reach all the way back. And man, this thing that you are supposed to replace every third month cost €40. So that's €120 a year used to continue using this horrible plastic product. And you were supposed to get, let me see if we have that here. Yeah, you are not using tooth cream, toothpaste with this, of course. No, you are using fresh mint toothpaste tablets. So you chew a tablet before you start using this product. And of course, you can't buy these chewing tablets on their site. So I'm gonna try this. I think this is just going to be a mess, a total mess. I should do this in the bathroom. So this very thick rubber thing, let me show you close up. These are very hard. And as you can see, nothing covers here at all. This is such a stupid product. So I guess you don't have teeth here in Denmark. Oh man, this is such a stupid product. Let me try that again. And for people like me that have pain in my jaw, this is a terrible product. Oh. 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 Oof. No matter how much I move it, it doesn't reach my teeth the way it should. This is a terrible, terrible product. And as I said, as soon as I give it some resistance, it just stops working. So this is what it does. It doesn't even move the mouthpiece. It just vibrates. Look, nothing happening at all. It just vibrates. It doesn't move. It doesn't move the brushes or anything. People, please stay away from this scam. Unobrush. The guys that made this product should be in prison. This is a torture product. I am in pain. I am in a lot of pain. I don't care about the money. It wasn't a lot of money for this duo thing. I don't even know why I ordered it. Oh, my jaw hurts. Oof. So yeah, 200 euro just thrown away. I think it was more actually. I even think it was a bit more, maybe 300 euro. And 3 years later, almost 4 years later, they sent me this torture product. Stay away from this product. I am in pain.